Sorry for that. Only face make. Hello everyone, namaste and welcome back to my channel. My name is Supriya and in today's video we are going to talk about 6 makeup rules that every woman over 30 should know about. I'm going to discuss few tips and tricks that I've learned being a makeup artist over years now and also someone who loves absolutely everything about makeup. I'm going to discuss things today that I'm sure most of you guys are already aware of or know about it but tend to ignore, I know that. So guys, before we start the video, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and now let's discuss about 6 rules of makeup that every single woman over 30 should know about. Rule number 1, always, said it, period. Put your skin first. Makeup is definitely important, but if you don't have a good base, then nothing looks good. You have to find yourself a good skincare day and night and follow it religiously, stick to it and do it on an everyday basis to have that beautiful inner glow looking skin. And then when you put makeup, it looks even better. Guys, makeup is temporary. You are eventually going to wash it off after a few hours. But a healthy skin and a good skin is permanent. It stays with you forever. Number 2, not to prime is a crime, guys. You might not use a product which says primer on top of it, but any base which helps your foundation to stick onto your skin and to last longer. A primer or a base also acts as a barrier between your skin and your foundation. So people, those who have very sensitive skin, people, those who have acne prone skin, or someone who has some kind of skin condition like eczema, psoriasis or rosacea, it is inevitable for you guys to use a primer or a base. You guys cannot use the foundation directly on your skin. No. Number 3, buy less but good products. When I say good, I don't mean expensive products. Just don't buy a skincare product or a makeup product just because it's very expensive or it's very cheap. Both ways doesn't work. Guys, whenever you think of buying any skincare or makeup product, please take the effort to look into the reviews and feedback that YouTubers or any influencer has already given on any kind of social media platform. Why do you guys think we do review videos? It is for you guys, so that you people don't waste your money, so that you people can take better decision when it comes to buying a product. So just don't randomly buy products and hoard them in your house when you don't end up using them. Always look for reviews and feedbacks on social media platform and then take a decision and then decide whether it's good for your skin type, your skin tone, and then obviously those kind of purchase and decisions always come out better than randomly just going out and impulsively buying makeup and skincare products, because our money is very important. Don't waste it. Number 4, invest in good quality makeup tool. When I say good, again, I don't mean expensive. You should buy and invest in good quality makeup brushes and makeup sponge. On an average, an individual does not need more than 8 to 9 makeup brushes, and if you have more than this, you are unnecessarily wasting your money. You should always focus on not having a lot of fluffy and big brushes like this, because they really don't solve the purpose unless you are applying makeup on a larger area like your body, your chest or your shoulder. Rule number 5. Less is more. How cliche it sounds, but it's the fact. Makeup should reflect your personality. After a certain age, well, I'm still very young, don't get me wrong there, but I'm not as young as I used to be. Less makeup looked so much better, trust me. Whenever I get slightly overboard with my makeup, my conscience bashes me. I mean, who am I kidding? Let's embrace and accept our flaws and imperfections. There's a lot of grace in doing that. Acceptance is very important for the things we really cannot change. Accept it and own it like a boss. What do you think? Rule number 6. Stop following makeup trends blindly. I mean, it is always better to look like you than to look like a fool. Whatever is trending, guys, you don't have to follow it. Always follow your instincts. Suppose, for example, the glass skin makeup trend or a heavy eye makeup trend. Will I do it on myself? Of course no. Will I wear it on a daily basis? Of course no. Because I know I will look like an idiot if I do that. I mean, glass skin makeup trend looks amazing on camera, looks amazing on models. As a makeup artist, I have done it on others 1,000 times. But I know that's not meant for me. That's not meant for my skin type. That's not meant for my skin tone. That's just not me. So I will never follow a makeup trend blindly because it is trending. Or a heavy eye makeup. I have tiny eyes. There are a lot of eye makeup that really doesn't look good on me. So I'll just not randomly do it because it is trending. I'll of course stick to my own choice and my own preferences when it comes to makeup. Do let me know in the comment section what are the makeup trends that you love on others but you cannot see yourself in it. I mean, I would really love to know them. I feel let's keep the fun part for the younger ones, let them experiment with the looks. Let's bring in some class and dignity when it comes to our makeup. How many are in this with me? Agree, don't agree? I mean, of course, you do whatever makes you happy. You feel like looking like a glitter ball, please go ahead. No one is stopping you. But it's just a personal advice. Don't randomly follow trends. Do whatever makes you happy. If you think you're looking good, please go outside like that. No one is stopping you. No one will stop you. I mean, just do whatever makes you feel happy. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. It was so much fun shooting this video for you guys. I hope next time when you do makeup, you keep in mind these 6 tips or these points before you do the makeup. And if you do so, I'm sure you will see a lot of difference the way your makeup looks like. I'll see you guys super soon with the next video. Till then, take care, be safe. Bye-bye, tata.